Hey everyone, Celebrity River Cruising is opening up for bookings in just about a week. Let's go talk about it. Howdy friends, John here from Byte Size Cruises. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking all about Celebrity River Cruising. I am freshly disembarked from the NCL Aqua just a few hours ago. Today is August 27th of 2025, and we have some big news about Celebrity River Cruising. If you missed out on this, Celebrity has decided to jump into river cruising. This is going to start in 2027. The initial itineraries are going to be the Danube and the Rhine rivers. So priority booking for these sailings is going to begin on September the 3rd, and I'm going to tell you about how that works. It's next Wednesday. This is going to allow you to secure your spot for priority booking, which means you will get priority access to the bookings when they open. This is a refundable $500 deposit. So if you're wondering, hey, what's going on here? Let's talk about it a little bit more. It doesn't mean that you're actually booking, just means that you get priority when the booking opens. You will be the first ones that actually get to book one of these cruises. You don't have to pick your date yet or anything like that, but this is going to open next Wednesday. You're going to put down a refundable $500 deposit. That means if you decide not to book, you're going to get that money back, which is great. It's going to start in 2027. The Danube and the Rhine, keep that in mind. Fares, listen, fares are going to include all meals, alcohol and non-alcoholic beverages, Wi-Fi, onboard experiences, and one shore excursion a day. So it's a little more all-inclusive than your standard ocean cruising, which is pretty in line with how river cruising works for much of the other river cruising companies. The details about the ships and the staterooms are going to be released during this priority access window. It's planned to expand this out, the river cruising, within 3 years. So between 2027 and 2030, they're going to expand out to all across Europe. Super, super exciting. So once again, if you are interested in doing priority booking, having access to priority booking, it is September 3rd, 2025. I'm going to have a little link in the description here if you are interested and need any help with your bookings. That is what we are here for. We, of course, are a travel agency trying to give you the best information possible about cruising so you can plan to go on an amazing cruise vacation, including river cruises by Celebrity. So keep that in mind. This is going to start September the 3rd at 9 a.m. So if you are interested, get your booking payments in prior to that, and we will take care of everything else for you. If you have any questions about river cruising, Celebrity, or otherwise, please feel free to comment below. We're happy to answer questions as well. I hope you have a lovely day. Join us tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Time, for our live stream. We'll talk about this, my aqua trip, and much more. We'll see you then. Happy cruising. Bye.